Good morning kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. So kids, today I am going to teach you sounds of A. We are going to do one exercise on sounds of A. So kids, take out your English workbook and open your page number 23. Kids, do not forget to mention date and classwork on the top. So kids, here we are having read and write of sounds of A. Read and write sounds of A. What is the sound of A, kids? The sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. So, we will read few words with sound of A. The first one is B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. So, now we will write this word over here. So, put your pencil on the dot. First write small cursive letter B like this. Then A joining with the letter B like this. Then letter T. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Now come on the next word. Your next word is H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. So we will write hat over here. Put your pencil on this dot. First write H. Then joining with letter H, we will write letter A like this. Then letter T. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Come on the next word. Your next word is M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. So, we will write man over here. Firstly, we will write M. Then, from the end point of letter M, we will start writing A. Then, joining with letter A, we will write letter N. Like this. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Come on the next word, kids. Which is this word? P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. The sound of letter A is A. So, P-A-N, pan. Now, we will write this word over here. Put your pencil on this dot. Write small cursive letter P. Okay. Like this. Then from the end point of letter P, write letter A. Okay. Now, from joining this letter A, we will write letter N. Like this. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Come on the other side. Here we are having S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. The sound of A is A. So, S-A-D, sad. Now, we will write this word over here. Put your pencil on the dot. S, then A joining with letter S. Like this, you have to make letter A. And from the end point of letter A, you have to write letter D. Okay kids, like this. Write very neatly. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Now come on the next one. Your next word is D-A-D, dad. D-A-D, dad. Now let's see how to write this word. Now put your pencil on this dot. Write small cursive letter D. Okay. Then joining with the end point of letter D, we will write letter A. Very nice kids. Now again write D. Like this. So, D-A-D, dad. D-A-D, dad. Come on the next word. Next word is C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. Now we will write C-A-R, car. Put your pencil on this dot. Write small cursive letter C and write letter A joining with letter C like this. Then write letter R. This is C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. Now come on the last word. This is J-A-R, jar. J-A-R, jar. Now let's see how to write this. Firstly, we will write J like this. Then we will make letter A from the end point of letter J. And then letter R from the end point of letter A. And put a dot over J like this. So, J-A-R, jar. J-A-R, jar. So, kids, the sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. Now, we will read all these words once again. So, the first one was B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Come on the next one. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Now the next one is M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Next, P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Now come on the next one. Our next word is S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Sound of A is A. S-A-D, sad. Now the next is D-A-D, dad. D-A-D, dad. Next one is C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. Tell me which word is this? I told you, kids. Yes, you all are right. This is J-A-R, jar. J-A-R, jar. So, kids, this way you have to practice sounds of A from your English workbook on page number 23. You have to read these words and you have to write them over here. Okay, and also you have to do your page number 24. Okay, kids? So, kids, today we are going to do one exercise on the topic sounds of A. As in earlier class, we have done reading of sounds of A. So, today we will do one exercise in English workbook on page number 25. Kids, do not forget to mention the date and the classwork on the top. In this, we will read and also we will write the words related to sounds of A. So, kids, take out your pencil and put your pencil on the first dot. But before writing, we will read the words. The first word is C-A-B, cab. The sound of A is A. So, sound of A is A. C-K-A-B, ab. Cab. C-A-B, cab. C-A-B, cab. Now, we will write this word. Put your pencil on the dot. Write C. Then from the end point of letter C, write small cursive letter A. Then from the end point of letter A, go up and write small cursive letter B. Very nice, kids. C-A-B, cab. C-A-B, cab. Come on the next word. Next word is L-A-B, lab. Sound of A is A. Sound of L is L. L, ab, lab. L, ab, lab. LAB, lab. LAB, lab. So, let's write this word. Put your pencil on the dot. Write small cursive letter L. Then write A joining with letter L like this. Then from the end point of letter A, go up and write small cursive letter B. LAB, lab. LAB, lab. Come on, the next word. Next word is BAG, bag. The sound of B is B and sound of A is A. BAG, B, egg, B, egg. BAG, bag. BAG, bag. Now we will see how to write this word. So put your pencil on the dot, write B, then write A joining with letter B like this. Then write G, small cursive letter G, B-A-G, bag, B-A-G, bag. Come on, the next word. Your next word is T-A-G, T-A-G, egg, egg. T-A-G, tag, T-A-G, tag, egg, tag. Now let's see how to write this word. Put your pencil on the dot, write small cursive letter T, then from the end point of letter T write A. Very nice, kids. Then joining with letter A write small cursive letter G. Very good, kids. Like this you have to write the word T-A-G, tag, T-A-G, tag. Now come on the next word. Your next word is L-A-P, L-A-P, lap, L-app, L-app. Together makes it lap, L-A-P, lap, L-A-P, lap. Now let's see how to write this word. Put your pencil on the dot, write small cursive letter L. Okay, then with the end point of letter L, write small cursive letter A like this. With the letter A joining, we will write letter P like this. Okay, kids, write very neatly. L-A-P, lap, L-A-P, lap. Come on, the next word. Your next word is M-A-P, M-A-P, map, M-app, M-app. Together makes it map, M-A-P, map, M-A-P, map. Now put your pencil on this dot and write M-A-P, map. Write small cursive letter M like this. Then write A joining with letter M, and from the end point of letter A write letter P. Very nice, kids. M-A-P, map, M-A-P, map. Come on, the next word. Your next word is D-A-M, D-am, D-am, D-A-M, dam, D-A-M, dam. Let's see how to write this word. Put your pencil on the dot. Write small cursive letter D first. D. Then from the end point of letter D write A. And write letter M joining with letter A like this. Okay? Like this you have to write your word D-A-M, dam, D-A-M, dam. Now jump on the next word. your next word is J-A-M. J-am. J-am. Together it makes jam. J-am. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Now let's see how to write this word. Put your pencil on the dot. Write small cursive letter J. From the letter J we will write letter A. From the end point of letter A we will write small cursive letter M like this. Okay kids, put a dot over J. So J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. Kids, let's revise all the words once again. Okay? Look over here. C-A-B, cab. C-A-B, cab. L-A-B, lab. L-A-B, lab. Next one is B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Next T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. Sound of A is A. Sound of A is A. Come on the next word. L-A-P, lap. L-A-P, lap. Come on the next word. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. D-A-M, dam. D-A-M, dam. And the last one is J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. So kids, you also have to practice reading and writing of sounds of A from your English workbook on page number 25, and also you have to do page number 26. Write very neatly and beautifully in your workbook. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.